Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get orbs on Discord fast and use them. First, open your browser and go to the official Discord website. In the top right corner, click on Login and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side and click on Shop. At the top of the shop page, you will see a menu. Select Orbs Exclusives. To spend orbs, you first need to earn them by completing quests. Click on Go to Quest Home. You will see a list of quests that you can complete to collect orbs. For example, there might be a quest that asks you to watch a video until the end. Open the video and watch it fully. When it finishes, a Claim Reward button will appear. Click it. Your orbs balance will update to show the amount you have earned. Once you have orbs, you can use them in the shop. Click Purchase next to the Orbs badge or any other item you want to buy. That is how you can earn and spend orbs on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.